नाउ कम टू द अंधेरा जा रहा है ना, इधर से नाउ आफ्टर दिस वी हैव टू नो द एनालिटिकल मेथड ऑफ, नज़दीक करके क्लियर है, मेथड ऑफ analytical method of equation of motion. So we know that equation of motion, there are three equation of motion. That is, one is your v is equal to u plus at, that we already seen in the previous video, and another one is your s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third one is your v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So these are the three equation of motion, and we already known that v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, t is the time period, and s denoted as a displacement of the body. So we already known everything. So after this we have to proof of first one. Now first one is your v is equal to u plus at. So from the previous slide already we know that v minus u is equal to t. That is the formula of the acceleration in the earlier video. Now come to see, after this calculation we are having u plus at. That is the first relation of equation of motion. Now after that we already discuss about the another equation, that is your s is equal to ut plus half at square. So from this we already know that v of average, that means average velocity into time. So from where we are getting? So average velocity or velocity means distance per unit time. So after the after crossing the relation we are getting v is equal to distance is equal to velocity into time. So from this we average, that means u plus v, and into t, that is your velocity, average velocity, that means velocity into time, that is the earlier relation. And from that we are having s is equal to, after putting this relation to the above relation we already get it. After this substituting v is equal to u plus at to the first relation, that means this one, first relation, and what we get, getting this relation we have to put in the equation first, that is called u plus u at by overall 2 into t. That means we are having 2u plus at by 2 into t, and after solving this relation we are getting ut plus half at square. This is the second relation. And now come to the third one, that is called v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So we already known the naming of these physical quantities. Now v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, and s is the displacement, that means distance. So from the earlier relation v average into t, that already we get from the earlier relation, that means v average means u plus v by 2 into t. So from that we already have got, now we know that v is equal to u plus at. That means already we are having one relation, that means we can interchange v minus u is equal to at. After calculating